Hello, today we will guide you through how to hide owner in Google Drive. In this walkthrough, we'll show you a simple way to share a Google Drive file using a modified link, which can help present the file in a cleaner way when someone opens it. Make sure you're already signed into your Google account and have the file ready in Drive before you begin. Start by going to Google Drive in your web browser. Once Drive has loaded, find the file you want to share and click on it to select it. Be sure you choose the correct file, since the sharing settings you adjust will apply only to that specific item. After selecting the file, move to the upper part of the screen and click the People icon. This is the sharing button, and it opens the access settings for your file. This area is where you control who can view the file and how the link works. When the sharing window appears, look for the restriction setting. Open that dropdown and choose anyone with the link. This changes the file from restricted access to link-based access, which is necessary for the next part of the process. As a reminder, using this option means anyone who has the link may be able to open the file, so it's a good idea to confirm that you're comfortable with that level of sharing before continuing. Next, copy the link provided in the sharing window. Once the link has been copied, open a new browser tab and paste the link into the address bar. Don't press enter just yet, because there is one small change you need to make first. In the URL, look for the word edit. Before opening the link, replace the word edit with copy. This is the key adjustment in the process. It changes how the link behaves when opened and can help streamline what the viewer sees when accessing the file. Once you've changed edit to copy, press enter on your keyboard. The link will now open using the updated version. This is the final step. If you plan to send the file to others, it's a smart idea to test the link first in that new tab to make sure it opens the way you expect. That helps you confirm the sharing settings are correct and that the file is accessible. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your Google Drive sharing link. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide made the process clear and easy to follow.